My name's Kieran from KMM Energy Solutions. I'm based myself in Newark, and in our business we are a comparison site essentially for the customer that we can offer multiple quotes from multiple companies, working mainly with solar, batteries and EV chargers. We're a little bit different than most of the people that come to Trade Mastermind because we're essentially surveyors or salespeople as such. We do more of the front end, the marketing side, the customer experience, and then we have agreements with installers. I think we joined Trade Mastermind in June. We weren't working in the business nearly as much as we are now. It was more of an idea that we were doing on the side. It's humbling to realise how little you do know when you come to Trade Mastermind. I think being in sales, admin is not our strong suit. The spreadsheets, we would have had no idea what we were doing. Knowing your numbers is obviously a very important part of a business. You need the logic before you can have the emotion to buy, and the free value that obviously you give because you don't have to sign up. Our business has changed a few times, like I'm sure all business has, as to what direction we're going to go, whether it's going to be commercial, whether it's going to be PPA, whether it's going to be domestic. It's just given us the structure to realise what we're good at. It's definitely not where we want it to be long term, but I think we're fast tracking the success of the business. This month I've done 8 jobs, a turnover of just over 100 grand gross. It's just being around people that have done it before. Like everyone will say, success leaves clues, so we just like learning and networking. Unless you're going to pay someone else to do it, you're going to have to do it at some point, because we realised we didn't know our numbers and then we couldn't tell people exactly how much we're going to make or where we're going to make it from or how much we can spend on marketing. We've had to overcome the mindset of it's too hard. I'd open an Excel spreadsheet and not know what to do, and now I'm helping Steve do it. I weirdly enjoy it now. The business has a few different verticals that we can do, whether it be selling for multiple businesses, whether it be just doing our own thing, or we do sales coaching on the side for other people that we work with and other surveyors that we've brought on board to other companies. I think the marketing is the most important thing we've realised. If you don't have the leads, then you don't have the sales, and if you don't have the sales, you don't have the cash flow. I think a lot of people do drag their heels in it. I think you're just going to have to do it. No one says it's easy. The sooner you start, the better you'll be. I bring other people all the time and tell people about it. There is a bit of a stigma, I think, about education, but obviously a lot of people do pay to become a doctor or a lawyer, and a lot of people have mixed views on how good school and university is. I think to get the practical knowledge from people that have already done it before you makes a lot of sense. Yes, you could not pay the money to come to Trade Mastermind, but if it takes you 5 years to get somewhere you can get in 1 year, which is a better investment. We really like our time in Trade Mastermind, the networking, people that we meet. It's been a really enjoyable experience. We're very happy.